All right, so Maximus can't be here, but I didn't want him to miss any of this. So, what do you remember about Larry's old green truck?
Wow. I remember. I love the windows, the two little windows on the back. Had two straight windows, and it was very big. What else?
This is the one in the garage.
Oh.
I don't know that you ever saw it run,
No.
but I imagine you walked by it at least 1,000 times.
1,000 times.
Yeah.
Is that
Is that an accurate assessment?
Yeah.
That truck.
And who has that truck?
I have it.
Really?
Yeah, so Maximus and I got the truck 5 years ago.
Wow, how'd you get it?
Janelle called me
Why don't you take them out front?
after Larry had passed and said, I'm trying to deal with everything and I have this old truck and I don't know what to do with it, but I don't think I could fix it, but I know you could. And so she said, what do you think about you and Maximus fixing up this truck, and then Maximus would have something to drive when he's 16. So Maximus is 13 years old at this time, right? And I said, hey, let me ask you. Let me ask him. So I'm like, hey Maximus, like I'm on the phone, right, with his mom. What do you think about fixing up that old truck of your grandpa's in the garage? He says, you mean the one that doesn't run? Yeah, that one. That's the one. He said, Dad, by the time I'm 16, they're gonna have flying cars. And I said, yeah, I wouldn't hold your breath on that one. And if there are flying cars, I don't know that you could afford one. So in the meantime, we could fix this truck up and you'd have something to drive. So he said, well, I mean, green is my favorite color. Okay, like he reluctantly did this, right? When he was 13. So it took us a few years, but we fixed it up. And then it's been running for a couple years, and then had a few other problems, and then I just upgraded some other stuff. And I was actually working on it this morning. I converted the mechanical fans to electric fans because when I got the AC upgraded, it started overheating when it sits at a light for a couple minutes. So I didn't know if you wanted to go for a drive.
Yes! You're gonna drive the truck, Maximus.
Let's go.
Oh my God. God. This did run when I dated Larry.
No way.
Yeah,
No way.
it did.
How? The tags were from 95 when I got it.
It ran. But not far.
I don't know if I believe this.
Yeah.
It ran, but
But
not
not far? Is
What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't even know
He
what
could
that
get
means.
it out of the garage. Wow. Second. This is the second video of seeing the interior.
No, that's
That's the
The
original.
sunroof drives me crazy. This is some hippie crap right here. I mean, I can't even get a headliner because it's a custom sunroof. And when Maximus was driving down the freeway when we first got it going, the sunroof came off. Because it was the scariest thing he's ever experienced. So it came off and it flew in the back and smashed to a million pieces.
Oh my God.
But he was doing like 65 miles an hour. No, that's a story. Yeah.
Oh my God.
What do you think, Mom? Is this not like time warping?
Yeah.
He's got an iPad in here.
Well,
It's
it's
not an iPad.
CarPlay.
CarPlay.
Apple CarPlay. Not bad for a 77, right?
Oh my God.
Have you had people offer you guys money for it at this point?
I've been offered a lot of money for this truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open the glove box. See that top thing? Grab that. So this is, Maximus keeps this in the glove box.
Oh my God.
You got to show the video, like, what you're looking at. What are you looking at?
Larry and I don't know those.
He's in Mexico with the truck when he first got it.
God, how old? Probably 35.
Isn't that great?
Oh my gosh.
So
That is so neat.
Maximus has to take his own pictures and fill up the rest of the album.
So
Right?
you are so lucky, Maximus. People care and give you these things,
For sure.
but you worked hard to make it happen too.
Mm.
Wow. sounds amazing. Oh my gosh. You are so lucky, Maximus. I love this truck. Say bye, Bobby. Oh my gosh. What kind of motor did you put in it?
It's the same motor.
It is.
We estimated it had about 350,000 miles on it based on the tire records because the odometer just flips over and over every time you go over 100.
Goes back to zero?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It gets up and goes.
This is our granddaughter, Piper Ray, going for a ride in this amazing track. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Your grandpa would be so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Look at your super
Right?
dad.
It turned out pretty good.
Oh my gosh. It turned out amazing.
All right.
I love how it sounds.
Lori's turn to drive.
Just let you know. So fun. My dad had a 55 DeSoto. Big blue car. Of course, named Ridiculous. And it had the little shifter. That brake. That push on these brakes.
Yeah, it's not going to stop anytime soon. It's a heavy truck. It's got an 8-foot bed in the back.
So great. I hope you appreciate how cool this is, Maximus.
All right, Lori, get on it. Isn't that great?
Oh my goodness. I can just see Larry so happy. Really brings tears to my eyes.
But it's kind of fun to drive, right?
Oh, it's great.
I told Maximus, I said, man, you learn how to drive in this, you can drive anything. So the last thing I wanted to show you was the license plate.
Oh.
Right? Isn't that great?
Oh, that's great. Good job, Maximus.